All right, I'm working on the 1977 Ford F-250 Custom. And the paint job is complete. The front lights are working and the new grille pieces are in. I'm gonna put door panels on, brand new ones still. They're on the way. Still gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with this brake pedal, because when you step on it, it stays down. You gotta pull it back with your foot. I got a spring for that. I'll have to figure out something, I'm hoping. But the paint turned out pretty good. Yes, it's tractor implement paint. Had to brush it on. But I was even able to get around the F-250 Custom with small brushes. New marker lights, side marker. Got the brakes working. But I gotta admit, for tractor implement paint, it's pretty good. That looks pretty good, even so. Looks like I need to wash the windows. Anyway, gloss black Rust-Oleum. So this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.